We treat our patients as we would treat our family. We specifically choose physicians and nurse practitioners and physician assistants that have that philosophy.
I suffered from lower back pain for several years before I ended up going to Coastal Spine and Pain. I had been through physical therapy, massage therapy, and kind of been bounced around between doctors who said maybe this, maybe that, maybe you'd have to live with it for the rest of your life. When I went in to see Dr. Formoso, he evaluated me.
I looked at the sacroiliac joint a little bit closer and found that she had a leg length discrepancy. I believe that her right leg was a bit shorter than the left leg, and she said nobody had ever even thought of that, and let alone examined to see whether that was present.
And from there, he recommended doing some stretches and some exercises that would help release some of the tension and the strain that was being put on those muscles. We also talked about getting some orthotics to kind of help straighten the back while I stood all day, and I found a lot of relief between all three of those. The last thing I want to do is go through surgery or rely on pharmaceuticals for anything, so the fact that it was non-invasive was exactly what I was looking for.
Her case is a perfect example of how you can make small physical changes and how huge of an impact that it can have. And you don't need strong pain medicines, and you don't need to do fancy injections to accomplish that. But you'd be surprised at how often those small adjustments can have a huge impact.
Dr. Formoso wanted to find an answer. I think that a lot of times doctors will just give you medicine, do this, do that, and send you on your way. But I think that the difference here was he wanted to follow up and make sure that what he had decided the course of action should be was actually going to help remedy the pain.
She's doing things that she probably hadn't done before. I mean, she's fit beyond a level that she ever was. I mean, she's exercising regularly, not just for treatment purposes, but for physical fitness, and she's really doing fantastic.
To not be experiencing pain, of course, is wonderful, so I can enjoy my job more now.
I love it.
I'm forever grateful to Dr. Formoso and Coastal Spine and Pain for helping me the way that they did.